In this video I'm going to show you how you set up your email so that you are sending your emails from your own dedicated domain to improve email deliverability. And it's very simple, as I showed you in the previous video where we looked at how to connect your domain to your landing page or website in Go High Level. And this is the same procedure as connecting the domain. It's very easy. You just have to like push a button, and I'm going to show you. And I'm in my Go High Level account, and we are at email services. Now I have already linked a domain to an email service like this, but you can have more also here. You click on dedicated domain and IP. Now you want to add a domain, and see if I had it, yeah, and I want this to be like this as they recommend, and we click add and verify. It's correct. It's connecting to Cloudflare, and if you see here, these are the records that will be added to my Cloudflare account. And let's authorize this domain. Now this looks good. Great. Not verified. Let's see if we can verify it now. It can take some time. Sometimes you just need to go back like this and verify. Great. Okay. Domain not verified. Verify domain. Active. Well, it looks good, but the SSL certificate, it's not really verified. So maybe we should just do this one more time. See if that comes up again. And I'll click verify domain. Yeah, now. So if you get stuck on that, just try to do it again. It can be the registration process from the Cloudflare. So as I said before, it's so simple to connect your domain and connect your email service with Cloudflare. I think also if you have Google domains, I haven't used it, but that should be easy as Cloudflare. Now, if you want me to build your sales funnel from scratch, we are connecting the domains, we are setting up emails, we are building landing pages, and sending emails and all of that. Click the link below and apply, and let's start there. Hope to see you in another video. Bye.